So hey, I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison of the stock pickups in a Yamaha Revstar. This is the Japanese version of the Revstar. I love this guitar, the tuning stability, the stainless frets, everything, the neck. I love the way that it plays. The way that the thing is set up, the way that it looks, it's just such a nice looking, nice playing guitar. But here's a comparison of the stock pickups. I'll show the Seymour Duncan noiseless P90s, the vintage noiseless P90s, in a side-by-side comparison. So I will do the neck pickup. Sounds really nice. Back to the middle position. We're now in the bridge position. So my final thoughts on the Seymour Duncan pickups are that they're less chimey. The stock pickups had like a chimey aspect to them, little fuller sounding, not so thin in certain frequencies. And there was this weird chime with the stock pickups that I don't know if you heard on the bridge pickup when I first started. There's like a chime that's just kind of hurts. It's kind of grating, and that's gone now with the Seymour Duncans. And of course, they are completely noiseless. If that appeals to you, then that does to me. That's a worthy upgrade all on of its own. So you probably noticed the pick guards is different. It's not stock. I cut these out of stainless. I've been playing around with different looks as far as pick guards are concerned. And this one's just a solid stainless steel pick guard. It's a little bit different shape than the stock one. And while I was at swapping out the pickups, I swapped out the potentiometers as well as the switch. I got rid of all the elaborate electronics inside of here and basically went with a Telecaster style wiring setup. So it's 3 positions now, volume and tone, and it's simple, and that's the way I like it. Thanks for watching.